In this video, I will show you how to auto-save media file from Telegram group to your phone gallery without any stress. Open up your Telegram app. Click on profile icon. Click on settings. Data and storage. Then scroll down right here. Click on groups. Then if you want auto video to be saved to gallery, turn on this. If you also want video to be automatically saved to your gallery, turn on this. And you are done. You can set a file size for this. All video in group that are similar than the selected size will be saved to your gallery. So you can control down by turn this down right here. Just like so, or better still, you can make it 4 gig. Everything depends on your settings right here. So this particular one right here simply means that all videos in group that are smaller than the selected file size will be saved to my gallery automatically. It's that simple. Then you can easily go back. You can see turn on right here. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Telegram app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.